DC motor, also known as homopolar motor. The reason why homopolar, because of its simplicity. In order to operate a simple DC motor, you require three things. One is the power source, which I use the rechargeable 1.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery. Of course, you can use alkaline, which is 1.5, no problem. And then you require a very, very strong magnet. And I've used, as you can see, 3 magnets in order to be able to generate a very strong magnetic field. And then, of course, you need the motor. This is the actual motor. And the motor is just a plain copper wire, but specific dimensions, and it just fits over the actual battery. So it can spin sort of properly. And then now I just put the battery on top of the magnet. Now it's stuck, as you can see. Okay, so now the magnetic field is basically generated all around the actual battery from the actual magnet. So by putting the properly sort of dimensioned wire, which has got, if you look at it, this will pivot over there, and the lower part of the motor will be in touch with the magnet somewhere over there. Okay, with the, let me just do that. Yeah, with the magnet over there. And so the electrons will start flowing from negative to actually towards the positive. And the flow of electrons will actually create the electromagnetic field, which will interact with the actual magnetic field of the batteries. And that will in turn create a mechanical force, which will start actually exerting that mechanical force on the copper wire, and the wire will start spinning, and that is the basic sort of basis of the this homopolar motor. Okay, let's start with one. Okay, I'm gonna run, I've got few over here, and I'm gonna run few of them at the same time, and you can see actually. All right, let's just see. Okay, there we go. One starts spinning. Now let's start the second one. Okay, second one is spinning. Let's start the third one. Okay. Okay, so all 3 are actually spinning. Let me just position this one here properly. Okay. And they will keep on spinning till, as I said, they reach particular speed. Okay, you see it comes off, so it's not making a contact because of the speed, so it just jumps off. And then, of course, there's no current flowing through the wire, and then, of course, the motor stops. But you can see it, and let's look at it from top, and they're spinning very nicely. Okay, let's look at it from a different angle. And, of course, it's very easy to make. It will take a bit of experimentation and bit of a bit of a PT, bit of a, in order to get the wire to spin and its balance so it doesn't jump off very easily from the, you can see even this one here jumped off. Okay, there we go. But it will carry on spinning. And so let me just do this. Okay, so basically, yeah, that's what the basic motor is all about. We, of course, make them. Anybody can make it with a bit of effort, as I already said. If you don't feel like making it, or you don't know how, or you're too lazy to do it, well, at the prescribed fee, you can purchase it from us here at the shop, except you have to use your own battery, which you can buy any penlight battery. Yeah, and you can see it, it's still spinning, and let's look at it again from top. Yeah, and on that note, yeah, I said thank you for watching Batos' simple DC motor that we make. Thank you.